Alright, so we have arrived in Chiang Mai. Long day of travelling. I didn't film any content for it because frankly we were just knackered and it's a long old flight. That's not true. It was an hour and 20 minutes.
An hour.
It was a long old day waiting for the flight because I wanted to get there 2.5 hours before.
Look.
And we checked in and got through security in roughly about 4 minutes.
Live by old habits, okay? I'm my mother's daughter.
So lesson learned. In Thailand, you need to get to the airport about 15 minutes before the flight.
No, you don't. No, we need to be there very much early.
We've checked in. It's banging, really. We went for a quick dip in the pool. And now we're going to try and find a motorbike to rent.
Imported from Spain.
This is the first look of
Imported from
Chiang Mai. First impressions is a lot more relaxed than Bangkok, which was intense. This is Chiang Mai walking street.
I love it.
How many different little street markets are we going to go down? Sorry, I'm not sure why I'm hating on it, to be honest, but little tidbits. Elephants. Is it? Or is it a load of rubbish? That's what should we get? I might grab some of this. Chicken kebab? I'm not getting chicken kebab, I just like that. If you're getting a chicken kebab from the street, it seems a bit sus, even in Thailand. Oh, geysers! Should we get some geysers? Yes, absolutely. Let's get some chicken geysers. I'm queuing for it, Jess. Do you want some? Chicken rolls, right up my alley. Yeah, should we get 5 of each? I got it. Come on, man. My treat.
Wow.
Date night. Sawadee-ka. I don't know when they look that. Cop and cab.
Oh, which one did you
look
say?
at
Which one's
that.
which?
This one's chicken. Oh, sheesh. Right, get away from a million people. I can't balance my camera any other way, but some fresh chicken geysers.
Oh, we didn't wash our hands.
So crispy.
Coffee.
They're tasty.
We didn't hand sanitize.
Yeah, I know. Mango smoothie, of course.
I got vegetable.
It's absolutely pissing it down. Had to take refuge in a bar. We had no choice. Absolutely no choice. We had to get beer, obviously, while we're here. Let me see. But it's not what I expected from Chiang Mai. Off to a bad start. Cold and wet.
Someone's phone's ringing. It's quite aggressive. They picked it up, so very bad.
Cold and wet. Still better than home. Good morning. We are in Chiang Mai still. This is day 3 of the vlog. Today we're starting off, we've just got off the bike, we've done an hour and a half journey up north. We're going to go see the sticky waterfalls. Look at this view.
It's the longest journey of my life.
Right. I mean, the views are absolutely stunning. It's just this the entire way up into the mountains. I thought I was a pretty good driver.
No, you were.
Look at this view. That is stunning. These are sticky waterfalls. Apparently the rocks like really grippy. Since to be like a skateboard deck grip. Don't know how, I don't understand why. But let's try and walk it. Wow. What? I have no idea. Looks like it's just a viewpoint or something. Yeah. How grippy is it? How sticky is this? Oh, it's saying shrimp. Oh, that is pretty sticky to be fair.
Like a mountain goat.
So sticky. It's actually crazy sticky.
Oh no, a shrimp!
I guess it lives up to its name.
Shrimp!
A shrimp?
A shrimp, it died.
There's definitely not a shrimp in here.
It was a shrimp.
No. Parkour. Well, I don't know how they make it as sticky. I don't think so. I think it's got to be something on the actual rock. Slippery root. There's so much water. Where's it all coming from? We might actually need to use the rope for this bit. It looks pretty steep. Yeah, I'm gonna get wet. It's gonna be just soaking wet. Right. Oh, this is a bad idea. My shirt is so wet. Soaked. It's so wet. The camera's wet as well. It's stupid. It's soaking wet for the drive back. Games again, look. Woo! Look at that. Hello, doggy. Hello, doggy. Oh, you a good boy. You a good boy. Oh, you scared of me. Hello, doggy. Hello, doggy. Oh. Got a new pal.
You can take him home on your bike.
He wants a bit of the action as well, doesn't he?
No, don't.
I'm just sitting here eating a pot noodle. I've realised I forgot to put sun cream on this morning. And it's not good when you've been sitting on a motorbike for 2 hours. Look at that. That is embarrassing. It's so bad. So
It's just this leg as well.
oh, my legs. Yeah. All of the above is
Alright, drumstick.
rouge. But absolutely stunning day. Don't mind getting sunburn when it looks like this, do you? Just gonna hop in the pool. So if you're taking the piss out of me, I hope you're jealous of at least where we are. It makes me feel better. I'm not sure we've actually shown around.
No, we haven't.
Have we shown around here? Here's the pool. And the reception area. Showers. It's honestly absolutely stunning right now. Zara's playing mermaids. I'm gonna jump in. It's so unbelievably hot today, my feet are burning. Look how white I am.
I'm scared.
Oh, it's actually quite cold though. Oh. Alright, so me and Zaz are literally just walking down the street. We've been walking for the last 20 odd minutes. And we just turned to each other and go, I really fancy just a pub with a pool table in it. We have not seen a single pub in Chiang Mai the whole time we've been walking. Turned one corner.
When are you open?
And this is what we see. It's written in the stars, but they're closed. But if that felt like it was proper written in the stars, that. I have to come back at 6:30. What's the time now? 5?
5:80.
So we have come back to the same bar that we were at earlier before I opened. And I'm about to absolutely smoke Zara Pool. I kind of didn't vlog any of the food or anything today. We didn't really know what we were doing, so it was pretty rushed off, but this area is quite cool. Bunch of different bars and that.
Winners are grinners. I can't hear. So, what just happened there was I absolutely just beasted Alfie at golf. I don't play golf. At pool, I just won fair and square, completely, absolutely wiped him out of the park. Also, I scored most of his balls for him. That says a lot, doesn't it? It says a lot. I scored all of mine and then potted his as well, just because I felt bad for him. So, and I still won. So, I honestly just think, best night. Okay, this is some secret filming going on, because it's 2-0 to me. Honestly, it's going really bad. Win for me. Honestly, my father would be proud. This is a message directly to my father. You would be so proud of me. I have just beaten Alfie 3-0. 3-0. You've trained me for this moment, and I'm so proud of myself. All I have to say is that I played extremely well. Alfie just can't hit a ball in, to be quite honest with you.
Asphalt is not regulation.
Anyway, I won, and it's the best day of my life. Best day of my life. Honestly, he's got no excuse. He's rubbish. He's so bad.